If you are tired of manually handling all your business activities, then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will demonstrate how you can automate your home maintenance service requests via WhatsApp. And in this video, we are going to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send us any text message, then this particular WhatsApp chatbot will reply them automatically on our behalf. So if you are ready to learn how I'm going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that let us jump right onto my screen. Hello everyone, today I am excited to show you this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate my home maintenance service request business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. And for that, we will go on my WhatsApp account, and in here inside this particular chat, I will send this particular keyword hello. And after that, this WhatsApp chatbot will instantly send me this welcome message. Hello, welcome to Goodwill Home Services, your one-stop home maintenance partner. Please select the type of service you need. And this bot has sent me these 3 different type of services to select from. So let's suppose I will select this particular service, and after that this bot has sent me this message, great, please share a few details to schedule a cleaning appointment. And inside this text, this bot is asking me to enter my full name. So I will enter my full name inside this particular chat, and after that we will see that this bot will ask me another question. So I will send my name inside this chat. And now this bot is asking me for my full address. So I will also enter my full address inside this particular chat. After that, you will see that this bot will ask me another question. So I will send this particular message inside here, and then this bot is asking me to select the date and time when I would like the service. So you can see it has also provided me with this example. So as I want to enter my reply in the same format, so I will just copy this text from here and I will paste it in here. And after that, I will just modify this text as per my choice, and then I will send this particular message inside this chat. After that, you will see that this bot has sent me this booking summary, and in here you can see this is the name that I have provided, this is the service that I have selected, this is my address, and this is the date for which I want this particular service. And now if I am satisfied with all these details, then I will click on this confirm button, or if I am not satisfied or I want to edit these details, then I will click on this edit details. So for now, I will click on this confirm button. And here you can see this bot has sent me this concluding message, your service request has been received successfully. Our technician will contact you shortly to confirm availability. Your booking ID, and you can see this is my booking ID. This bot has also provided me with my booking ID. So you just saw how easily I could book this service for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot within minutes. And the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot is extremely easy. So to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow. And after that, when you will press this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here on the top right corner, you will see that these 2 buttons, sign in and sign up free, are given to you. So if you are creating your account for the first time, then you have to click on the sign up free button. And Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before clicking on this button, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you, I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. And now, as I am an existing user, so inside my landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this sign in button. And after that, I will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. Here Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, first of all, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. And after that, you will see that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And the first thing that you have to do when you are inside this dashboard is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And you can select any of these following methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to connect your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that we will attach links of those particular videos in the description box of this video. So you can go and check those there. And now as I want to create a WhatsApp chatbot, so for that I will click on this flows feature, and then I will select these flows. After that, inside this flow builder page, you can see these are all the WhatsApp chatbots that I have created for myself. And this is the exact same WhatsApp chatbot that I had shown you in the beginning of this video. So as I'm going to create this exact same chatbot, so first of all, I will inactivate this WhatsApp chatbot from here, and then I will click on this add flow button to start creating a new chatbot. And after this, you will see that I have landed on this most important window for our chat flow, which holds this trigger button. And this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So we'll work on this later, but for now, I will give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot as this automate home maintenance service request, and then we will work on this trigger button. So you can see inside this trigger box, we have these three following boxes: trigger event, enter keywords, and this enter regex. So this trigger event is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So when I will click on this drop down, you will see that these are all the trigger events available for us to select from. But for today, I will select this keyword or regex match as my trigger event because I want my chatbot to get trigger on basis of some keywords that I will enter inside this particular enter keyword box. So I will enter my keyword hello, and then I will press this enter button to successfully add this keyword. And I will add one more word, this maintenance, and then I will again press this enter button. Then here you can see this word is added successfully. And this enter regex, this regex stands for regular expression, and it is actually a universal code which we use when we want to extract some particular keywords from a paragraph. But for today, I will skip this, and here our trigger step is now ready. So now we will move towards my action step, and for my action step, I want that whenever any customer sends me any of these following keywords, I want to send them a welcome message. So to frame a welcome message, I will drag this text button from here and I will drop it in here, and then I will connect both of these circles, and inside this enter message box, I will enter the message for my customer. You can see I have entered this message: hello, welcome to Goodwill Home Services, our one-stop home maintenance partner. And just below this, I will add three different type of services for my customer to select from. And to add those, I will click on this add button thrice. And here you can see I have added my three buttons. So now I will quickly add the text inside all of my buttons. And here you can see I have added the text inside all of my buttons. And now as I want to store if any of my customer selects any of this button, then to allow my WhatsApp chatbot to remember the selection made by my customer, we will take help of this set custom field. And I will drag it in here, and after connecting both of these following circles, I will click on this contact custom field drop down, and you can see this time I will select this particular custom field service type, and I have created this particular field to store the services selected by my customer. And inside this enter value box, I will just copy this exact text from here and I will paste it in here. And with this, I have successfully added this contact custom field in for this particular plumbing button. And just like this, I will add contact custom field to each of my two remaining buttons. So here I have added these custom fields to each of my three different buttons. And now I will show you how exactly I created this contact custom field and how you can do that too. So for that, first of all, I will click on this save button. Otherwise, all of my work done here will get lost. And then we have to click on the settings on the left side here. And from this, we have to select this contact custom field. After that, you will see that in here, all the custom fields that I have created for myself are now visible to me. So to add one more field, I will click on this plus button, and then I will give a name inside this particular box, and then I have to click on this save button, and here our custom field is saved successfully. Now when I am in the flow, you can see this is the flow in which I am working. So in here, when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you can see this test contact custom field has been created successfully. Now you can select this if you want to. So this is how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. And now with this, we will move towards my next action step. And for that, as I want to ask a question to my customer, so I will drag this ask question button and I will drop it in here. And then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular question for my customer where I have asked for the name of my customer. So first of all, I will connect all of these three custom fields with this particular question, and then I will click on this contact custom field drop down, and this time I will select this particular field client name which I have created to store the name given by my client. And in this format, I will select the format as text because this is the format in which I want my customer to answer me to this particular question. And this enter number box is for number of attempts which you want to give your customer. So you can type down the number of attempts manually inside this particular box if you want to give it to your customer. But for now, I will skip this, and then we will move towards my next question. And for that also, I will just click on this copy button, and I will connect these following circles, and then inside this enter message box, I will replace this particular question with a new question where I am asking my customer to share their full delivery address. And this time for this contact custom field, I will select this field destination, and this format I will select it as any. And after that, we will move towards my next question. So I will again copy this question button, and after connecting these circles, I will change this particular message with this message, when would you like the service? And inside this, I'm asking my customer to answer me their preferred date. So for that, I will select this custom field date, and after that, for this format, I will select this particular format as any. And then as for my next action step, I want to send this order summary to my customer. So for that, from this messages, I will drag this text button, and inside this enter message box, I will enter this summary for my customer. And in here you can see I have entered these following details. Here is your booking summary, and I have used this $sign client name to map the name of my customer. And you can see this is the exact same custom field that I have created here to store the name given by my client. And just by applying this $sign in front of this contact custom field client name, I am able to map the name given by my customer. And just like this, I have used this service type field to map the service selected by my customer, this destination to map the address selected by my customer, and also the state. And just below this, you can see I have entered the question, would you like to confirm your booking? So that's why just below this particular text, I will add two buttons in which I will add two different buttons, confirm or edit details. Then first of all, I will connect both of these circles, and after that we will work on these buttons, so that if my customer clicks on this edit details, I want to direct them to this particular question where I am asking their name. So for that, I will just click on this circle, and I will connect this circle with this following button. And after that, whenever any customer will click on this edit details, he will automatically get directed on this particular question. And if my customer clicks on this confirm button, then there is a surprise element for you. I will also store all of these details given by my customer in a Google Sheets for better follow-up and management. So for that, this is our surprising element, this API request. So I will drag it in, and then I will connect these following circles. And after that, I will click on this webhook URL box, and then from this request drop down, I will select this post because I want to post all of these details that I will capture here inside my Pabbly Connect account. And then for this webhook URL, we have to go back on this particular all apps page of Pabbly, where you can see this time I will click on this access now inside this Pabbly Connect box. And after that, I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And inside this, by clicking on this create workflow button, I will start creating a workflow for myself. But before that, I have to select among these two workflow builders, this new version and this classic version. So for now, I will select this new version, and then inside this dialog box, I will give a meaningful name to my workflow. Automate home maintenance service request via WhatsApp. And from the second drop down here, I will select this particular folder in which I want to save this workflow, and then I will click on this create button. After that, I will get directed on this most important window for our workflow, which hosts this trigger button. And this trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. So today for our trigger application, we will use this amazing feature by Pabbly Connect known as webhook by Pabbly. And then for this trigger event, I will select this particular event catch webhook, and then I will click on this connect button. After that, you can see we have received this webhook URL. So I will just copy this webhook URL from here, and I will paste it inside this particular enter URL box. And then we have to fill up this key and contact custom field to successfully complete this particular API request. So now, as I want to send 4 particular contact custom field to Pabbly Connect, so I will click on this add more fields to create 4 custom fields. And then inside this contact custom field, I will select only those contact custom field which I have created and which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. So first of all, I will select this particular contact custom field, this client name, and after that, I will select this particular date, and then this destination, and after that, this service type. And here I have selected all of my contact custom field, and inside this key, I will enter this key as full name. In front of this, I will write this date, and in front of this, I will write this location. and in front of this I will write this service, and after that I will click on this test button to send a test response to Pabbly Connect. Then after clicking on the save button, we will go and check our Pabbly Connect if we have received a response or not. And here you can see we have received a response, and here we have successfully received all of these following contact custom field that I have entered there. So now this means that our trigger step is working all fine. So now to add our action step, I just have to click on this plus button, and then from this particular application I will select this Google Sheet, and then for this action event I will select this add new row because I want to add a new row inside my Google Sheets account. And after that, to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button, and here you can see we have got these two different options: add new connection and select existing connection. So if you are creating your connection for the first time, then you have to go with this add new connection, or if you have already established your connection, then you can go with this select existing connection. So I will go with this add new connection, and then I will click on this sign in with Google, and from the left side here I will select this particular account which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect, and then I will scroll down and click on this continue to grant access. After that, you can see here our connection is created successfully. So now from the select spreadsheet drop down, you will see that I will select this particular sheet, my new sheet, and if I will show you, this is the sheet that I have created for myself, and inside this you can see as I have already created this workflow, so that's why all the details that I had entered inside this WhatsApp chat has been created as a new record inside this particular sheet. And inside this sheet you can see I have created these 4 different columns: name, location, service and date. So inside my Pabbly Connect account, you will see that these 4 particular columns have been successfully detected. So now I will fill up all of these following columns one by one to successfully complete our workflow. So to fill up these following fields, I will take help of mapping. And if you want to learn how you can map data, then for that you just have to click on this particular box, and then you will see that your previous responses will get visible to you. So I will click on this drop down, and here all the response that I have received in my previous step are now visible to me. So as we have to enter the name inside this particular box, so I will select this particular name, and here the name of my client has been mapped successfully. And just like this, for this location I will select this particular location, and then for the service I will select this service, and after that for this date I will again select this date from here. And here I have successfully filled all of these following fields. So now I have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, let me tell you, I have mapped all of these following fields because I wanted to make them dynamic. Because if I would have typed all of these fields manually, then these fields would have remained static and it would have not changed. But as I have took help of mapping to map all of these following fields, this means that Pabbly Connect will automatically change them with every new response. And now I will click on this save and send test request button, and after that you will see that we have received a response. This means that a new row has automatically got created on my Google Sheet. So we will check my Google Sheet, and inside here you can see that this new row has been added successfully. So from now onwards, whenever any customer will provide me any details about their service, then those particular details will automatically get created as a new row inside this particular Google Sheets with the help of this API request that we have inserted in my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now after this API request, I want to send a concluding message to my customer. So for that, I will drag this text button and I will drop it in here. And then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message for my customer. Your service request has been received successfully. Our technician will contact you shortly to confirm your availability. Thank you for choosing us. And after connecting both of these following circles, I have successfully completed the creation of my chat flow. Now you can see how amazing this chatbot looks. So now I will click on this save button to save this flow. Otherwise this flow will not work as expected. And then we will go back on my WhatsApp account and we will again test check this particular WhatsApp chatbot. So in here, when I will again send this particular text hello inside this particular chat, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered automatically again, and it has again sent me this welcome message, and it is also asking me to choose among these 3 following services. So now if I want to book a home service for myself, then I will interact with this particular WhatsApp chatbot, and then I can easily book a service for myself. So you just saw how easily I could create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And not just this, I have also created created this amazing automation with the help of which I will post all of the details captured inside my WhatsApp chat automatically as a new record in this Google Sheet here. So if you want to clone this flow, then for you I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video. So you can go and clone this flow from there. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.